Welcome to the Eagle Eyes black background tip video. We're going to show you 3 different ways to create a black background to eliminate distractions. You can see on our desktop right now we have all of these icons right here that are distracting and this nice picture that's distracting. So we want to be able to eliminate those distractions whenever we're playing a game that's not full screen and doesn't cover them. So a good example is this game on the internet. It's not full screen, so we want to eliminate all the distractions. Now, on a website, you might have advertisements in the sidebars or things like that that you want to get rid of. So the first thing to do is to minimize your window and then click and drag one of the corners until all that's showing is the game that you want to play itself. Once you have that, now you can see we have all these desktop icons that are distracting. So the workaround that we have is we have this graphic. It's just a black background that you can download from our website. Just put it on your desktop or in a folder wherever you want it. Right click and set as background. Now we have that nice black background. We can right click, go to view on the desktop and show desktop icons. Uncheck that and there we go. We have a nice black desktop now. We can bring back up our game, play our game, bring up Eagle Eyes, make any changes, and we have no distractions during our session. Now to undo that, this is just the desktop now, so right click, view, show desktop icons, and then we can come back to our image that we want, right click and set as desktop background. And there we go, we're back to normal. That's an easy workaround, usually with Windows Vista or later. If you have Windows XP, you have to go into the control panel to do some of that. So if you don't want to do that workaround, maybe you have a rotating background or something. The other one that you can do is simply just open up the black background in an image viewing program. And that doesn't fill the entire screen, but it does fill up a lot of the screen and gets rid of a lot of the distractions so then you can play. So that's a little simple workaround that you can use there also. And the third workaround is with Microsoft PowerPoint 2007 or later. Just open up a blank presentation and start the presentation. I use the button down in the right hand corner, however you want to do it. And there's our blank presentation. Now we can just right click, select screen and black screen. Now we have this nice black screen, but we don't have our taskbar on the bottom. So right click, screen, switch programs. And when we do that, our taskbar comes up. And now we can bring up our game to play. We can bring up Eagle Eyes. We can minimize programs. And if we minimize everything, you'll notice the taskbar disappears again. Not a problem. Right click, screen, switch programs. So those are 3 workarounds. To get out of this last one, all you have to do is either click on it and it'll advance, or you can press escape and that'll take you right out of there. If you have any other tips and tricks for us, please feel free to send those over to us so that we can make videos to help other people also. Thank you.